Deep right corner. I knew it. But they didn't connect. Bad call by me. Sweep right. Oh shit, I was wrong. Screen to the right. No. Deep left. Fuck. What's wrong with me, bro? Crowd going wild. And fuck, too late. The fuck? Fumble. He's got it right down the middle. Right down the middle. Knew it. Fuck no, I didn't. A little bit to the left. Alright, bro. Sweep right. Come on, man. Told you, motherfucker. Would have got 5 yards if you swept right.